Finally tonight, a new twist on what it means to be sitting on top of the world. Our Robert Krulwich explored that notion quite literally and uncovered some facts about the shape of planet Earth that may surprise you.
If you wanted to get to the highest possible point on our planet, as close as you could to the moon, the stars, and space, where would you go? Well, I think we'd all agree that the highest point on Earth is, of course, Mount Everest. But, in fact, that's wrong.
It is?
Yes.
Son of a...
And here's why. It turns out that the Earth is not a perfect sphere. It's rather like a beach ball that somebody sat on.
Oh, me!
So if you look closely, right here, the planet squishes out just a little bit right in the middle. This shape has a mathematical name. It's called an oblate spheroid.
It means something that looks like a sphere, a spheroid, and the oblate means that it's basically fat around the middle.
So if you imagine two bicyclists heading out from the center of the Earth, one of them is riding to the North Pole, the other is heading to the equator. The trip to the equator is going to take a little bit longer.
It would be a bit longer. It would be about 13 miles longer.
So that's the size of this equatorial bulge? Boom.
That's right.
So any mountains near the equator are sitting on top of the bulge. And it turns out the highest mountain in this part of the world is Mount Chimborazo in Ecuador. So if you can get to the top of Chimborazo, you are as close to the moon, the stars, as a person can get on Earth. Everest may indeed be highest from sea level, but because of the bulge, the top of Mount Chimborazo is even higher.
It's about 1.5 miles higher.
Whoa. Chimborazo is higher than Everest?
Quite a bit higher, yes.
Are you kidding me? I'll freeze my friggin'...
And while from space you can't see the Earth's bulge, it's too little, it's there. And for mountains, that makes all the difference. Robert Krulwich, ABC News, New York.
Little help?
And that little guy didn't need to be that cold, after all. That is World News for this Monday. I'm